Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing the topic that is text box. So American government basically asked the question basically by the space center basically, not American government basically, Microsoft basically, and that is basically the American government. So they basically asked the question, where is basically this text box? If basically that thousand city basically get disappear, or basically the thousand cities basically which is giving the power supply to the computer, that data basically is not taken, then that text box basically will get displayed. So one of the person told that this experiment basically is must basically, because one of the space center only basically told whether Sunil is telling correct or wrong basically, how basically you are going to check this basically in future basically, by chance basically Sunil told basically is correct, then it will create big issue to space center only basically, because in UAT of the text box basically it's written that basically we have checked the text box control basically. So text box control is checked, that means they have checked the text box basically disappearance and invisible and visibility basically. So that was basically told by the earth planet people basically who actually created the text box, because there are certain group basically who created the text box basically, and the text box is created from thousand cities. So that was told by some group basically. So to clear that basically, space center group told that basically we have to check this basically, otherwise basically it will create big issue, because that space center group basically told that basically we trusted earth planet people basically, and in that basically the space center basically will get in trouble basically by chance basically, other than earth planet people basically space group basically watched this video, and they told that basically that Sunil Arnar basically told something that is correct or not basically, that how basically that is basically checked by the earth planet space people or not basically, that also they might check, then basically what you are going to do, by mistake basically they watched this video basically other than earth planet space people basically, then what is going to happen basically. So space group basically told that we have to check this basically, otherwise basically it might create into big issue basically due to earth planet people basically. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.